we are on the Bavaria 33 listed with Boatshed, Portsmouth. I just stood to the right hand side of the companionway on the starboard side. Just looking across, you have the really nicely appointed galley to the port side. All of this is really lovely light wood. Got good headlinings. Notice the additional windows in the coach roof. Opening windows on the sides. There's your nav station. Starboard side, nice decent sized nav table. And then you've got a decent sized heads with a hanging locker there. Of course, a companionway. And we have lovely sized aft cabin. Boat appears to be in really nice condition. Nice neutral coloured upholstery. Just bringing you into the saloon here. I like this wood panelling on the side there. I think it's really nice and effective. A nice big saloon, huge saloon table. Just taking you forward into the forward cabin. Nice wood again. Good storage either side. And a really decent sized V-berth. Storage on the sides there again. And I'm just going to spin you around so you can have a look. You do have a mirror there. And then just take you back through the saloon to where we started. There you go.